Good afternoon. My name is Shafi Jain. My student ID is AZZ30286. Today I am presenting the presentation on the issues in cash flow statement. So I am presenting first introduction. The purpose to prepare a cash flow statement by the organization is to summarize the inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalents in a specific period of time. The cash flow statement covers three major activities in business, which are operating activities, investing activities, and financial activities. The cash flow statement defines the capability of business to cope up with the regular liabilities and shows a real liquidity position of company. For such purpose, the cash flow positioning of three major companies has been undertaken, which are BHP Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited. Also, some managerial actions are discussed to deal with the different cash flow issues. Part A, income statement. The main objective of income statement is to calculate the profitability of business. Income statement don't have any parts. So income statement has various heads in which different expenses and incomes are charged. Income statement is prepared with an objective to find out the profitability of business during the year or for a particular period. Prepaid expenses is not included in the expense of income statement. Next is cash flow statement. Objective of cash flow statement is to understand the cash flow in the organization. Cash flow statement is to prepare in majorly three parts. Cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, and cash flow from financing activities. Part A continued. Usage of cash flow statement for investors. Cash flow statement is used by the investors to analyze the cash flow and fund flow in the organizations. With the cash flow statement, investor can assess that how much cash is generated by the business. Cash flow statement is a statement that tells to the investor and other stakeholders that how much cash is generated by the organization, and it also tells the investor activities that generating cash and activities that are responsible for investing those cash or what have been the cash invested in the various activities. So next is usage of income statement for investors. An income statement shows all major financial factors of an organization which are needed to be considered by an investor while making an investment decision. The income statement shows revenue, cost of sales, profit, depreciation, operating profit, interest, expenses, and earning per share. Part B, sources and usage of cash. So BHP Limited, the company generates a large proportion of cash from the revenues and proceeds received from the sale of fixed assets. Santos Limited, revenues are the main source of companies for generating cash, and they utilize their cash for the purpose of acquisition, debt repayment and investment. Fantastic Limited, the company does not have any specific source for the receipt of cash income, as it generates the cash income from different sources. Trend in cash flow from continuing operations. BHP Limited, due to the sale of major proportion of assets in last financial year, the depreciation incurred in the business has reduced. Santos Limited, the company witnessed increasing trend in the cash flows as compared to the last year because it sold its fixed assets. Fantastic Limited, the company is facing adverse financial condition due to the poor operation activities in the business. Part B continued. Difference between cash flow from operations and the net profit after tax in income statement of BHP Limited. Cash flows from operations. It includes the inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents for the purpose of any operating activity in the business within a specific financial period. Cash received from sale of goods, royalty fees, and commissions. NPAT income statement, net profit after tax in income statement. It serves the major purpose to disclose the income and expenditure concerned with the current financial year, irrespective of the fact that it is cash or non-cash transaction. It covers all the incomes and expenses occurred in the business within the financial year Santos 2017. Part B continued. Ability of firm to generate specific cash from operations to meet all capital expenditure. It can be inferred after analyzing the cash flow statement of BHP Limited that the company has high revenues in past 3 financial years, which eventually enables the company to pay off its capital expenditure at large. Dividend payment covered by the cash flow from operation. The BHP Limited has executed the strategic framework to strengthen its operating activities, which also led an increase in the operating cash inflows in the business. On the other hand, Fantastic Limited in facing poor cash flow in past 5 years, due to which the company has not paid any dividend during such period, whereas Santos Limited been have seen an increased cash inflow by effective operating activities in business, which enable them to pay the dividend to the shareholders. The firm has generated excess cash from operations. BHP Limited has earned higher revenues in cash from the business, which the company has used to repay the debts. In contrary to which, the Santos Limited had earned an additional revenues of $255,2098, which it has used to pay the long-term debts of business and to pay off the capital expenditures, while the Fantastic Limited had witnessed negative trend in the generation of cash inflows, due to which they used the earned cash flow for repaying the short-term debts and liabilities. Use of working capital, current asset and current liability accounts other than cash as the source of cash. The working capital of BHP Limited has been declined by 10.12% in previous year, which has impacted the cash and equivalent negatively. The company implemented the credit policy in sale and liquidity policy in taking credit from creditors, due to which the amount of both debtors and creditors have been increased. Some major items which affect the cash flows for each firm. There are some major and common factors which have the crucial impact on the cash flows of company. In Santos Limited, an acquisition outflow has incurred for $273,8736 in year 2018, due to which the cash flows company has been affected. Also, the cash flow of Fantastic Limited has been affected by the repayment of debts because they are facing negative trend of revenues in business. The trend in capital expenditure. The higher capital expenditure can be seen in the BHP Santos Limited. In BHP Limited, the capital expenditures have contributed to 70.36%, whereas in Santos Limited it is 45.63% of total cash flow. While the cash flow are issued by the Fantastic Limited for the repayment of loan amount. The trend in dividend. The dividend payment payout ratio in BHP company is higher from the past 3 years, and this is 6 times more than the past years. On the other hand, due to negative revenue, the Fantastic company has not paid or declared any dividend amount in past years. However, Santos Limited has paid the dividend in year 2018 and 2019, but it has not paid any dividend in year 2017. The trend in net borrowing. BHP Limited has not incurred any of the long-term borrowing in recent years, but has an increase in the current liabilities by 12.36%. Similarly, there are no borrowings has been taken by the Santos Limited in past 3 years. While Fantastic Limited has raised the borrowing in form of loan for $367,600 to improve its financial structure. The trend in working capital accounts of BHP Limited. As per the above discussed financial facts, it can be considered that BHP Limited has reduced its working capital in the past years because of the decline in current assets and high liabilities were in 2019. The company has enhanced its working capital, which shows the ability of management to cope up with the negative financial aspects. So second part is financial strength of companies. BHP Limited first. The company deals under the natural sources, industrial metal and mining resources at global level. The cash flow statement of company shows that the cash revenue of company from operating activities has been decreased by 3% in 2019 due to high working capital and stock. The cash flow generated from the investing activities has shown an increase by 55% in current year. Santos Limited. company deals under the industry of oil and gas as it produces and transports the hydrocarbon for the purpose of home and business. The cash flow statement of company shows that company has earned a sound cash inflow from operating activity and the debts of company has been repaid in large proportion. Fantastic Limited. This company is engaged in the marketing and distributing of toys, lifestyle products and sporting products. The company has poor cash inflows in 2018 which is improved in the 2019. Also, some of the fixed assets of company has been sold which result into high cash inflows in the business for the year 2019. Third party is evaluating the three companies for lending. The investors are more concerned with the financial situation of a company while making an investment or lending decision. Among the given companies, the best alternative for lending the money can be selected by considering following aspects. So first is PHP Limited. The company has earned revenues of $44.26 million and secured a net profit of $7.56 million in 2019. Also, it has witnessed an increasing trend in the cash flows under the business, which shows the sound financial capability of company. Centos Limited. The company has also secured higher revenues in 2019 and seen an increase in GP ratio by 12.06%. However, the capital structure of company is showing a risk due to high debts of 5.42 million. Fantastic Limited. The company is suffering from lower revenues and has poor expecting growth rate for next 5 years. It has facing a negative trend in the revenue, earnings and profits. Conclusion. It could be inferred after considering all the discussed facts and financial information of the companies that cash flow statement is an essential key for the investor to decide whether they should invest into an organization or not. Also, to assess the future financial strength of a company, its financial statements including income statement and cash flow statement can be considered for the proper evaluating of company's financial situation. All these financial documents are helping factors for the investors as well as for other stakeholders who are concerned with the financial viability of the company. So that's our references. Thank you.